Thanks for considering the premium membership of Bitcoin Strategy. I think you're at the right place with crypto to try to level up your crypto game, because the crypto market is the market with most opportunity. It's the market where you can generate outperformance the easiest. That's not necessarily just because of the high volatility, that's one part. The second part though is it's a very immature market. If you try to beat the stock market, for example, you've got a way harder time. You're competing directly against the analysts of investment banks. If you try to make money in foreign exchange, right, in trading currencies, you're directly competing with large hedge funds that have a lot of information. If you're in crypto, you're competing mainly against other retail investors. That means if you've got an edge in terms of skill, you can outperform the random retail person, right? You can find the lows better and you can find the highs better because you know how to read on-chain data. You know how to backtest indicators. You know how to time all of this. It's way easier to do this in crypto than to do this in stocks or in foreign exchange. Now, this is what this premium membership is focusing on. It's focusing on three things. It's focusing on developing skills. It's focusing on watching the current market, what opportunities are out there. And it's focusing on generating a community that exchanges opportunities and it exchanges what to potentially buy next. So in this video, let's walk through all of those 3 points. So first of all, the skills. So for the skills, behind this paywall, which is, by the way, currently $75 per month, right? If you want to sign up for the whole year, it's $750. Behind this paywall, first of all, you get this website with tutorials. And this is quite a lot of tutorials, very technical tutorials. So tutorials on how to do backtests for moving averages, tutorials on how to do backtests for RSIs, etc. So it's simply just Excel crunching, and it's very much explained in detail how to build those Excel sheets yourself and how to adjust them. Now, if you don't want to do all of this from scratch, you can also download the Excel sheets of each of those backtests for moving averages, for RSIs, for correlation, for all kinds of things, for historical performance, etc. So this is a very technical aspect. If you want to dive that deep into this, the premium membership has that content. It's content that I obviously not go to publish on YouTube because YouTube doesn't get clicks for these kinds of videos, right? They're very, very deep. And among YouTubers, there is a saying, right? Make the content in a way that it's appropriate for a 5th grader. This kind of content goes beyond 5th grade level. Okay, so we've got that. That's the technical aspect. The second aspect is the mindset, which is very, very important. Even if you've got, say, a win rate of 70, 80%, if you don't manage your risk properly, and in those 20% where you fail, you suddenly lose 90% of your portfolio, you don't win much, right? So you want to adjust your risk properly. You want to take profits at the right time. You want to do all of these things, right? And that's what the mindset and strategy section is for. The next thing is staying up to date, the market updates. So every 2 to 3 days, I publish a video specifically just for the premium members where I share my own trades, but where I also share what I'm currently watching, what kind of projects are currently interesting, where do I see the macro environment, Bitcoin in general going. Those are the kind of things that I publish, and these are 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes just 10 minutes, every 2 or 3 days. This is published on the website. It's also published in the Telegram groups that we come to next. So we've got the Telegram channels, and there are different kinds of channels. There is simply just the usual chatter, that's the fireside chat. Then we've got the channel around the macro picture, that's the macro tower, so where is Bitcoin, Ethereum going? And then we've got Alpha Cave, where we discuss the smaller altcoins. So those are the 3 chat-related Telegram channels. And then we've got alert channels. So we've got the indicator alerts, so when a moving average gets crossed for a certain altcoin, this is automatically been published on this channel. Then we've got an influencer alerts channel where we track certain influencers on YouTube. We have their wallets, and so it automatically triggers a message whenever they buy and sell. Very interesting to know as well for potential alpha. And then we've got the news channel, simply just for publishing the recent videos. So that news channel looks like this, and that's simply just the premium updates that come out every now and then, so you can simply just watch them directly in Telegram. It's also early releases of YouTube videos. So before I publish something on YouTube, I first publish it usually a few hours ahead here in the premium membership. There's also premium channels in Discord. They are not yet as active because historically Bitcoin Strategy grew with Telegram. So probably this is going to really become active over time. And that's basically the main thing, right? The main thing is develop your skills, stay up to date with everything, and find a community of like-minded people that take this whole thing seriously, right? That don't just post random memes all the time, but that actually want to generate alpha and that do the research as well. If you post something in those Telegram groups and you say, I found this interesting altcoin, what are you thinking? Then other members will look into this. I might do my back test, I might do my holder analysis. It's really a place where we help each other to generate alpha in the end. So the premium membership is the place where you can directly download my brain, where you get direct access to me as well. I can't wait to see you in the chats, and thanks again for considering the premium membership. Bye bye.